Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make a Star War. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper, fold it into two equal triangles, then open it, and then from the other side the same step, press well to have crease on your paper. Now turn it and then horizontally again fold, press well. From the other side, the same step. Now we have a star-like crease. Now fold it into a triangle. Then fold from bottom to the top. Then from the second side. Again fold into a leaf type shape. Then from the other side. Again fold, press from the second one. Open. Alright, fold it as shown. Press well. Now from the other side, the same step. Press well and done. Now fold it to the top. Then from the other side. Alright, press well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Now fold it into a spike type shape. Alright. Pressing well. Turn back. Pull it outwards and fold it, press. Now turn it to the other side and again press. Now from the other side, the same steps. Turning it outward, pressing and then folding to the side. Done. Now bind the edges. Pressing well, turn back. Alright, fold it by opening and then from the other side again open and fold. It's nearly done, adding some detailings. Pressing it inwards. Then from the other side, press and pressing the outer side inwards, press well, and then from the other side. Now fold and press, then from the other side the same step. Okay, open it and press a bit to form the shape. Adding details, and it's done. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.